Zoyi Zt-M2H. It is a CAT4 600V, CATIII 1000V, 6000 count multimeter. Its size 176 x 91 x 47 mm, and weight is 330 grams, not included battery. CUA battery 3 piece. Test pen CAT4 600V, CATIII1KV. PVC cable 80 cm long, 4 mm plug. DC voltage is 0.01 mW to 2000 watt. AC voltage is 0.01 mW to 2000 watt. DC milliamp is 0.01 milliamp to 600 milliamp. AC milliamp is 0.01 milliamp to 600 milliamp. DC microamp is 0.1 microamp to 6K microamp. AC microamp is 0.1 microamp to 6K microamp. Resistor is 0.1 amp to 60 megaamp. Capacitor is 0.001 nF to 60 megaFarad. And frequency is 9.999 Hz to 10 MHz. And duty cycle is 1% to 99%. Temperature is -20 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. It had die, continuity, NCV, square wave output, and flashlight function, and hold key, and auto power off function, flashlight and backlight function. Okay, let's see the meter. And let's see the meter function. This meter is a Zoyi Zt-M2H. In the left corner, there's a WAN switch and a select key, a validity key, flashlight key, mix and mini key, and the host key and the control key. In the first one is the off key, and the first one is a AC voltage function and DC voltage function. Next is a NCV function, and next is the AC voltage function, and it can be set to select the range to the hertz and duty cycle by pressing this switch, and also to the DC ring also have the function. And next is the milliwatt AC voltage range, and put the select key maybe to the hertz, again maybe duty cycle. And next is a DC milliwatt function, next is the range, and next is the continuity function, and the next one is the die test function. Next one is the capacity function, and next is the frequency function, and can be put again maybe duty cycle. And next, this key is the output of the square wave. Now it's 50 hertz. And next is the temperature range. And next is the milliamp range. Milliamp. And next is the microamp function. And this switch is the flashlight key by pressing this key. And this key is the hold key. It can hold the data. And long part maybe the first backlight on. Sorry. And this is the max and mini range. But once is the max, but again is the mini. In the downside, they have a 2000 watt input jack for this and this input jack. And this is the current test function, but make is 600 milliamp. And this is the input jack of the die continuity output, frequency, and temperature, watt, hertz, and capacity input jack. Okay, let's test the meter. Reference DC voltage test. 2.5 watt. ISO 2.51 watt. 5 watt. ISO 5.021 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.52 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10.03 watt. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. It shows 221.3 watt. A little bit over the foot reading. NCV test. It about 2 cm have 1 bar. D is 2 bar. D is a 3 bar. Touch is 4 bar. And let's see the meter for testing on the light hot wire. First, use the wet test lead. It can show neutral no, F no. Bad test lead also okay. Okay, let's see the meter for sensing the cable. You can send the cable. Okay, next test. NCV test on socket. It can send the field about 2 cm. Near is a 2 bar. Near is a 3 bar or 4 bar. NCV test. It about 1 cm 1 bar. Touch is 2 bar. Make is a 3 bar. AC milliwatt test. Now see the foot first. Foot with 0.990. And this meter is 0.93. It needs a unity output 1 milliwatt AC. DC milliwatt test. And foot first. Foot with 1.12 milliwatt. And this meter is 1.12. It needs a full reading. Output waveform test. 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, it very well. Next test. MIDI frequency is 0.5 Hz. Mix frequency is 29 MHz. If over, there may not function. Try to 30. Now 13. They may be so and wrong reading. So 62. Okay, next test. Resistor test. Short testing. It 10 to 0. 0.5 amp. It shows 0.4. 1 amp. It shows 0.9. 10 amp. It shows 10.1. 20.03K. It shows 19.98. 2 Met. It shows 1997 Met. 19.4 Met. It shows 19.75 Met. It shows 42.9 Met. Continuity test. $30 amp. They have B sound. 25 amp. They have B sound. 15 amp. They have B sound. 40 amp. They have B sound. And this meter mix is about 600 amp. It shows 599.3 amp. Okay. And let's see the continuity. It very far, but no reading. And it about 74 dB output. 1, 2. You have a wet light come out. It very well. Okay, next test. Die function test. You can test the normal die. And let's see the meter light on the LED. It can light on the LED. Red, yellow, green, blue, white. It also okay. Okay, next test. Weapon, resistor, and cap test. Let's test the resistance. ISO 4.994. Very well. Capacitor is 120.8 nail fairy. It very well. And let's test the cap. ISO 1.03 megafarad. It very well. And test a bigger one. ISO 4.4. Okay. Next test. DC micro M test. Now test the foot. Foot was 20.66. And this meter is 20.4. It need a reading. Okay, next test. And milliamp test. First. ISO 50.015. And this meter 50.00 milliamp. Okay, next test. Temperature test. Now test the hot water first. And foot is 63.9, 4.8. Sorry. And Zoyi is 63. Unity is 62.3. Now see the cool water. Foot is 6.4. Zoyi is 6. And Unity is 7 or 7.2. Okay, let's see the high temperature test of this meter. Okay, test finished. high DC voltage test. 250. 500. ISO 512. 1000 watt. ISO warning sign for the 1000 watt. Make a bigger. 2500. ISO overload warning sign come out, and the display have a logo. Okay, next test. Auto power off test. When turn on the meter, there maybe have a logo, one logo. That is the auto power off function. If you want to cancel it, first turn off the meter, long press the select key, and turn on. We had 3B, the logo may be disappear. That may be for long time use. Now check the auto power off function. Now start. And when not use the meter, maybe auto power off. Let's see. And now video speed up now. Power consumption test. Supply is 4.5 watt. Reference voltage is 1 watt. And now draw 0.001 V. Flashlight. Backlight. Backlight at flashlight. Close the backlight, flashlight, sorry. And now see the voltage drop down. It about 3.8 watt, maybe battery low. And about 1.6 watt, the meter reference voltage unstable and under the voltage. 1.5 watt maybe disappear. 1.4 watt maybe tend to close off the meter. Okay, next test. In square wave output, the whole key is enough function. And the mini and max function in the NCV and the capacity function, Hertz function, and the output function cannot function. Okay. And the validity key in NCV not function. Resistor not function. Continuity not function. Die function not function. Frequency not function. And the output square wave not function. Okay, next. Meter T down. There is the soft case. There is the student, and before I open it, they have 4 screws. And backside no any shielding. And let's see the meter. They come with a CERMIC fuse. Okay, open it. Okay, there is another side of the board. And there is the voltage divider full of the resistor. There is the code contact of the meter, function key, there is the backlight, they come with an anchor. We try to open it. Okay. There is the backside of this meter. There is the LCD screen. There is the backlight module. Okay, T down finished.